Hi guys, I'm Steph. Thank you so much for checking out my channel today. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate it if you would consider subscribing. My channel has lots of project pans on it, just using up my makeup, some get ready with me, some looks I like to do, as well as some vlogs about my life. And the last few videos I posted, I've been losing subscribers, which ideally is not what you want from your YouTube channel. So if you enjoyed this video, I really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. Now, to get into it, I am so excited to be joining the #Roulette Pan collab again. This will be my second round, but I think it is the 5th round overall, and I'm just so excited to be a part of it again. I had such a great time last time. It really helped me pick products I wouldn't normally go for. My project pans tend to be going for my oldest items first, so this really let me play with some products I wouldn't have considered panning. And on top of that, just the sense of community around this project has been so amazing. It's just great that everyone is posting at the same time, seeing everybody's videos, the encouragement. I just love being a part of it. So I'm so excited to be picking 6 products to have in this challenge. So I'm going to pick my 6 numbers first on random.org. We can pick them together, and then I'll let you know what the categories are. So I've set it 1 to 50 because that's how many categories there are, and the first number is 45. Next we have 44. This doesn't seem random. Next, if it's 43, I don't trust this. 6, okay. We're getting somewhere. 40. This thing loves 40s. Okay. Next, 25. And last, 5. Okay, interesting. So let's see what those categories are. Okay, number 5 is a product you bought because of YouTube. Number 6 is an old favorite. I had this last time, so I'm going to pick another number, but before that, let's just see what the other categories are. 25 is a product you would only buy on sale. That's like most of my makeup. 40 is an eyeshadow palette. An eyeshadow from a palette you don't reach for often. Okay, I'm excited about that one. 44, a hair care item. And 45, something from a lesser known brand. Okay, let's pick the other number and see what that category is. Okay, so here we are for one more number. 25. Well, we already had 25. 40. We already had 40. I'm not trusting this thing. 5. Oh my gosh, this is generating the same numbers over and over again. 9. Okay, let's hope this is something I don't have. I haven't done last time, I mean. Okay, number 9 is a product from a previous project. Ooh, I was kind of hoping for this one. Okay, great. I'm going to go look through my collection, pick these products, hopefully quickly, because it is the end of the day and the sun is setting, and I want you to be able to see what I pick. So I will be back as soon as possible. Okay, I think like the zoom definitely changed because the camera shut off while I was looking through stuff. And yeah, it took a bit of time, but I think I figured it out. So I wouldn't have bought if it weren't for YouTube. Like, I didn't even wear makeup before I started watching YouTube, so pretty much everything I own, not necessarily because I heard someone, but like YouTube just got me into makeup. So I struggled with a few things. At first I was kind of thinking the RCMA powder, but I had a powder in my last project and I just like, I'm not ready to do that to myself again. And then obviously there was the butter bronzer, but I already have pan in that. I don't really want to finish it right now. So name it a few things, and something I definitely bought because of YouTube was the Tarte Shape Tape. Like, this is not even available in Canada. I was in the States and I made sure to pick this up. Like, went to a few different Ultas because the first one I went to didn't have my shade. That is how much YouTube influenced me to buy this product. So I haven't used it too much. I honestly, like, you can't even really see through the packaging yet. I like try to scrape it around, but it honestly just like covers right up. So there is like, basically we're starting from the top. So I will see if I can get it to sell or something, to mark something. But basically we're starting from the top. This has been used a handful of times. And I don't think my goal is to finish it because I don't think that's realistic in 4 months. But I definitely want to, I guess, see some visible gaps is my goal. To actually be able to see the product, see that there is use in the tube. Next product is something from a previous project pan, and like I said, I was really excited for this category and I was hoping I got it because at the end of the last cycle of the #Roulette pan collab, I rolled in my Makeup Forever mini lipstick and I only had it in for one update before the project was over. And I did meet my goal on it, but that was just to kind of flatten, like, take the, like, it was on a very big incline. It was kind of just to like level it out, which I was able to do. And my goal now is just to finish it off. I will be marking this on a piece of paper so we can see the progress, but my goal is to finish this product up, which I really do not think I will have a problem with. And last time I only got to roll the one item into the project because everything else took me like the whole 4 months and I didn't even meet my goal on stuff. So something like this where I'm like, I feel pretty good, I can meet my goal on this. You kind of need those items in your projects to like keep you motivated. So the next product is from a lesser known brand, and a lot of my makeup is mainstream, like big name brands or brands that are very common. I do have a few things, but they're either like unopened or basically new, and I just don't see that happening in a project. So I picked something I really do want to finish in my collection, and this is a soothing skin ointment. I use it on my feet, like this might be TMI, but like I have really dry, cracked feet, and this is amazing. It has olive oil in it, so it's like really nice, but like put socks on or slippers because it will just like stain everywhere you step. Anyways, this is from the brand Anointment Natural Skincare. This is what the container looks like. It's also cracked, so I'm worried slightly about it drying out, and this is where I am. So hopefully you can see. I would say I'm about like here. So I will mark this so we can see the progress. I would love to finish this up. You don't need a lot. And like this little tiny jar has lasted me like over a year. And I have a backup. I don't know how I ended up with backup. This is like a gift from my mom. But I really, really enjoyed the product and I definitely want to use it up. Next category is a hair care item. And I picked the VO5 Give Me Texture. It's a dry texturizing spray. And I have a few texturizing sprays in my collection. And I never reach for any of them. Like maybe twice a year, which is ridiculous because like I said, I have a few, not just the one. And so my goal isn't to finish it up because I don't think that's realistic, but I'm going to set a goal of using it 5 times before the next update. And I think this is something that is probably going to stay in for the duration of the project because I don't think using it up 5 times is going to finish it, and I want to keep working on it. But having that goal of 5 times between updates is going to allow me to use this 20 times before the end of the project, which is like 10 times more than I usually do in a year. So hopefully it goes well. I think like the summer is perfect for dry texturizing sprays. You get that like beachy, sexy vibe. So I'm excited to see what kind of looks I come up with this, how it like makes my hair look. I'm thinking I have very straight like limp hair, so maybe this will give me a little something something. I love wavy hair, but like my hair does not love to be waved, if you know what I mean. Next category was an eyeshadow from a palette you don't reach for often, and I have a number of eyeshadow palettes that I have never even used, but I do have an upcoming plan for those, so if you're interested in that, then make sure you subscribe. But one palette I used maybe once, I bought it on at TJ Maxx because it was on sale, and I was so excited to see the brand. It's a Too Faced palette. I was so excited to see Too Faced. It's the Cat Eyes palette. Hadn't even heard of this palette before, but I was just, it was really when I was like new into makeup. I was so excited to see the brand. I was like, oh, it's on sale. And honestly, if I saw it now, I wouldn't pick it up. Like these colors really just don't speak to me. It's nothing I like am so excited about. I just got like starstruck by seeing the brand on sale. So I've used this a few times, but like I don't even know if I worn it out. So I'm going to play with it this month and kind of see what shadow I'm drawn towards and what I think I can pan. I'm potentially thinking maybe one of these shades. I feel like I could use this as a brow bone, this to set the lid. This is a nice pinky shade, but I also feel like I could use this purple as like an under eye color. Lower lash line, that's what it's called. And the other ones are pretty glittery. This is a liner, but like that's not gonna happen. So I'm going to play around with the palette a little bit, and next update I will let you know which one I have decided to work towards hitting pan on. And the last category is something you would only buy on sale. Like I said, pretty much all my makeup I only buy on sale, so this was a bit of a struggle for me. Definitely anything high-end from Sephora, like I would prefer to buy on sale. That is when I do most of my shopping, is during sales. And so it's really hard for me to kind of pick something. But there are items that I bought on sale and now I would repurchase at the full price because I feel like they are worth the value. But an item I would only pick up on sale, not because I don't think it's worth the value, it's just because I don't think the cost per use is there, is because it's an interesting product, is the Aurora Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. I also have the Moonchild and I thought about putting that one in. Honestly, like, to me, they both kind of fall into this category of something I would only buy on sale. Just a palette full of colorful highlighters, which I absolutely love. Like, do not get me wrong, but I just feel like the amount of use I get out of this, and because I can't really wear it every day per se, that it does kind of mean for me that it is only something I would buy on sale. I get so much use out of this. I love this. Honestly, this and the other, like, and Moonchild are probably my most used, like, collectively highlighters. Like, I probably reach for this the most out of singles because I'm just like, I paid for them. I knew they were out there, but like I really wanted them, so I was like, I'm gonna get my money's worth. So I really do reach for them. But I would love to see pan in one of these shades. I am thinking, I don't know why I'm holding it upside down. Okay, there's Eclipse, Luna, and Lyra. These are the three like I would potentially consider panning. I do like these other shades, but I just think if I want to get continuous use out of them and have a chance of hitting pan, it has to be more of a subtle shade. So just to give you some quick swatches of those three. So this is Eclipse, this is Luna, and this is Lyra. So I don't know, maybe I'll mix all three of them together. I haven't really decided which one I want to go for yet. I just know it's going to be one of those three. So I'm thinking maybe Eclipse. So here they are swatched on my hand. I'm not sure you can even tell the difference. So this is Eclipse, Luna, and then Lyra. So they're all quite intense. This is more of like a cool tone one. This one I feel can sometimes be too dark. And this one I feel like I could get away with every day. So I think I'm going to go for Eclipse. I'll let you guys know in my next update if I decided to change my mind and try to hit pan on another one. But my goal is going to be to hit pan. So that is the end of the introduction. I will be posting my update along with everybody else doing this collab on the 15th of the next month, which is May. May 15th will be the first update. And if you're also participating in this collab, I would love to know. Please let me know. I love checking out other people's videos. And I'll definitely leave the playlist down below. There was a playlist last time. I'm sure there'll probably be a playlist this time. As well as Rebecca and Alexia. I can't believe I forgot to say this in the intro. They created this collab. They created this whole project and have been so great about opening it up to the community and just like welcoming anyone who wants to participate in it, which has been so wonderful and amazing. And I love that they just really included everybody. And as someone who, like, I don't know, doesn't really have any ties to like anyone in the beauty community, it's really nice to feel a part of it. So thank you guys so much for opening it up to all of us and allowing us to be a part of this. I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you are. Bye.